England, Ireland was part of Roma. You know Egypt? Egypt, it's a country. Before, Egypt also, for a small time, was also part of Roma. So for a small time, many countries were part of Roma. Okay? So England was also, before it became a country. Okay? So that's England. Thank you. Okay, so some of this information will be in our game. Some questions are new. You haven't heard them before. Okay, so some are new. Okay, so 100 is easy. 500 is hard. Okay, 100 to 400. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you get them right, it's plus. If you get them wrong, it's minus. Minus. Okay? 500, if you get it right, it's plus. But if you get it wrong, no minus. Okay? Okay? And each team gets 1 life. Okay? This life card you can only use once. This is if I ask you a question and you don't know. You use this card to ask the other teams. Ask the other teams, okay? Also, when we play, no cell phone. No cell phone, no using the cell phone. That's cheating, okay? You have to try, okay? So, if some questions are a little hard, but most questions are easy, okay? And this is just a game, just for fun, okay? So, it's not like, oh, it's so hard, I can't think of it. No, just have fun, okay? So, 500 is hard, 100 is easy. And these are in the middle, okay? So we have language, customs, history, airport, and signs, okay? So let's give you each 1 life card. You're welcome. I need one person in each team to write your score. How many points? So write, if you got plus 500, write plus 500 for your team, okay? So one person, every team needs to write how many points your team has. So if I'm on this team and I got 500, right? I write plus 500. If I'm on this team and I got 300, but I got it wrong, I write minus 300. Okay, so you have to write it down so you can remember. Okay, because after we will see what team has the most points. Okay? Okay, so let's get started. So let's start. Why don't we have each team do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Okay, so each team do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, so all 3 teams, so you guys have to see who goes first. You guys ready? Okay, so rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. first? This team is first? Number one?
Number one.
Okay, number one. Okay, so which one? So you guys choose first. Which one do you want? So you have each category, and then you pick how much. So language, customs, history, airport, or science, that's the category, or the team. And then here's how many points you can. Okay, so this is easy, this is hard.
要先选题目是吗？那就你们觉得哪一种？
如果答错会倒扣。300分以下会倒扣。300分以下会倒扣。那500分不会倒扣。那我们就那就400。那是哪一个400？我要选哪一个？
选上面那个 language。
So language? Yeah. Language for how much?
400。
400, okay.
Oh my god.
Okay. How do you say MRT in Greek? How do you say MRT in Greek? Greek. MRT. How do you say MRT in Greek? You sure? No. Oh, okay. So I'll put this back. So 400 and up is minus. So these are minus. So these are all minus. So 400. So minus 400. So your team, you have to write minus 400. Right. Yeah. So 400 to 100. Oh my god! 400 to 100. Okay, 500 no. But 400, only 500. Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay. Okay, what was the next team? Your team, okay?
所以只有500没有倒扣，然后其他如果答错就倒扣，如果答错的话就是加分。
Language?
Yeah.
100. Okay, language 100. In Spanish, what does chica mean? What does chica mean?
Boy.
You sure? Girl. Very good. Girl. So plus 100. Plus 100. Okay? Okay, next team.
有啊，真的有这个。
Science 500. Okay, what country is this sign from? What country? What country? Greece, yes, Greece. So this sign is from Greece. Okay, so good. So plus 500. Okay, this team. Airport. 500. Okay. After security. After security. So after security, how do you find your plane? How do you find your plane? After security, how do you find your plane? So it was the number 3, it was the third thing. So you had 1, 2, 1 was check-in, 2 was security, 3, what happens at 3? How do you find your plane? How?
I don't know.
Good try, good try. Let's go. Okay. Oh, this team, sorry. History?
Yeah.
How much?
100.
100. In what country were the Olympic Games started? In what country were the Olympic Games started? What country? Greece? Yep, Greece. Very good. So Greece, the Olympic Games started in Greece. Good. So plus 100. Plus 100. Okay, this team. Airport 500. Okay, so how do you find your plane after security? How?
Follow up your ticket information and go your boarding gate.
Boarding gate. Very good, very good. So plus 500 for this team. So you look at your ticket. You look at your ticket and you look for